be aware of. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is important to recognize the symptoms of high blood pressure early so that it can be treated promptly. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Symptom number 1, headaches. One of the most common symptoms of high blood pressure is headaches. If you experience frequent headaches, especially in the morning, it could be a sign of high blood pressure. Symptom number 2, fatigue. Another symptom of high blood pressure is fatigue. If you find yourself feeling tired and sluggish, even after getting enough sleep, it could be a sign that your blood pressure is high. Symptom number 3, shortness of breath. High blood pressure can also cause shortness of breath. If you find yourself struggling to catch your breath, even during light physical activity, it could be a sign of high blood pressure. Symptom number 4, chest pain. If you experience chest pain, especially during physical activity, it could be a sign of high blood pressure. Chest pain can also be a sign of other serious conditions, so it is important to seek medical attention right away. Symptom number 5, vision problems. Lastly, high blood pressure can cause vision problems. If you experience blurry vision or sudden loss of vision, it could be a sign that your blood pressure is high. So, there you have it, the top 5 symptoms of high blood pressure. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to see a doctor as soon as possible. High blood pressure can lead to serious health problems if left untreated, but early detection is key. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video.